What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're ready to transform your midsection and build visible abs at home with no gym and no fancy equipment, then this video is exactly what you need. Today, I'm giving you a complete 22-day home ab workout plan designed to help you build a stronger core, burn stubborn belly fat, and move closer to that six-pack look. Stay with me until the end because I'm also going to explain how to structure these 22 days so you don't waste a single workout. First, let's be real. Getting a six-pack in 22 days depends on your current body fat level, nutrition, sleep, and consistency. If your body fat is already moderate, you can absolutely see major definition in 3 weeks. If you're starting higher, you'll still build strong abs and notice a tighter waist. The key is discipline. This plan is simple. You'll train abs 5 days per week for 22 days. That's 15 focused sessions, with active recovery in between. Each workout takes about 15 to 20 minutes. No equipment needed. We're going to focus on 3 things: direct ab activation, lower belly emphasis, fat-burning intensity. Here's your core circuit. Perform each move for 40 seconds, rest 20 seconds, and repeat the full circuit 3 times. First exercise, lying leg raises. Lie flat on your back, hands under your hips. Keep your legs straight and lift them up until they're vertical. Then slowly lower them without letting your heels touch the ground. Move slow. Control the negative. This targets the lower abs hard. Second exercise, crunch pulses. Stay on your back, knees bent. Lift your shoulders slightly off the floor and pulse at the top. Small controlled movements. Focus on squeezing your upper abs every rep. Third exercise, plank shoulder taps. Get into a high plank position. Tap your left shoulder with your right hand, then alternate. Keep your hips stable. Don't sway side to side. This builds deep core stability. Fourth exercise, reverse crunches. Bring your knees toward your chest and lift your hips slightly off the floor. Think about curling your pelvis upward instead of swinging your legs. Fifth exercise, mountain climbers. Drive your knees toward your chest at a controlled but challenging pace. Keep your core tight and back flat. That's 1 round. Rest 1 minute, then repeat 2 more times. Now let's talk progression across 22 days. Days 1 to 7. Focus on perfect form. Don't rush. Your goal is mind-muscle connection. Feel every rep in your abs. Days 8 to 14. Increase intensity. Either extend each exercise to 45 seconds or reduce rest to 15 seconds. You can also slow down the negative phase on leg raises and reverse crunches. Days 15 to 22. Add a finisher. After your 3 rounds, perform a 2-minute plank hold. If that's too easy, alternate between forearm plank and side plank every 30 seconds. But here's the truth. Abs are built in the kitchen too. If you want to see them in 22 days, you must control calories. Focus on lean protein like eggs, chicken, yogurt, lentils. Eat vegetables at every meal. Reduce sugar and fried food. Drink at least 2 to 3 liters of water daily. Cut late-night snacking. Also, walk at least 8 to 10,000 steps per day. This increases fat burn without stressing your recovery. Sleep matters. Aim for 7 to 8 hours every night. High cortisol from poor sleep can increase belly fat storage. If you stay consistent for 22 days, your core will feel stronger, tighter, and more defined. Your posture will improve. Your confidence will rise. And even if you don't have a fully shredded six-pack yet, you'll be much closer than you are today. Remember, abs are not about doing 1,000 crunches. They're about controlled training, smart nutrition, and daily discipline. Commit to these 22 days. Number excuses, no skipping. Train hard. Eat smart. Recover properly. If you're ready to start, comment 22 days below and let's transform together.